So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi. And do you see what I'm wearing on my head? Yeah, my hat. I wear this hat every single day. I love hats. They look really cool, and they keep the sun from hitting your head. Whoa, how about you and I? We could draw my hat together. All right, first let's draw a curved line on the bottom, a parallel curved line as well, straight line, a straight line, and then a half circle up top. Whoa! And then this is gonna be a little tricky. Check this out. Whoa! All right, let's draw an oval for the button. All right, and what color is my hat? Yeah, blue and orange. All right, so we need to repeat them. There's orange, here's orange, and then orange down here, of course. And then right up top, we're gonna have to do blue right here. Yeah, it's a pattern. Blue, orange, blue, orange. And how does that look? Does it look great or does it look great? I know. Well, if you love drawing with me and want to draw some more, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye.
Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun. Blippi. So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!